NEWB. Gaurab Borah's NEWB. NEWB, the only method that can used right now that doesn't require advertising, websites or traffic to make big payments with no risk. Make money without websites, traffic or advertising using a brand new untapped method. Make big payments with no risk. Here's how NEWB brings in $50, $500 commissions in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Follow our training. Follow our simple, easy-to-follow instructions. It takes just 30 to 60 to set up everything. We provide a high-demand WordPress services on Fiverr that pays $50, $500 per gig. No running behind clients, no running ads. We'll show you how to get clients easily. Step number 2. Use our premium WP Themes plugins vault. Go through our huge library of WordPress themes plugins with GPL rights. You get 100 WP themes and 50 WP plugins to be exact. Install any of them on your client sites in just a few minutes. We show you exactly how to do that. Step number 3. Make easy commissions. You can use our premium vault in 3 different ways to make profits. 1. Sell them as service on Fiverr, Freelancer, Warrior from or any websites. Follow our training. 2. Resell them directly at any price, any number of copies without any restrictions. We generated over $7,734 doing this, and we will show you how. 3. Use it on your own websites to increase your revenue. Save thousands of dollars in essential WP themes and plugins. NEWB demo video, NEWB upgrade offers. Pay, NEWB. $20, $27 at 50% commissions. Make money without websites or traffic using a brand new untapped method. The only method that can used right now that doesn't require advertising, websites or traffic to make big payments with no risk. Detailed step-by-step video training. WP Premium Vault with 100 WP themes, 50 WP plugins with GPL rights. Use our vault to resell these plugins themes, sell them as service, save thousands of dollars in themes and plugins for yourself. Upgrade 1. NEWB Pro. $47. Over-the-shoulder case study on how we made $7,734.82 by selling the exact themes plugins with GPL rights. Extra 100 themes, 120 plugins with GPL rights for more variety and more money in different niches. Upgrade 2. Autopilot mode. $97. Make 10x more profits faster and easier with our outsourcing method. How to automate your business easily while enjoying your life. Done for you selling system for WP Premium Vault. Comes with DFY sales page, free report to collect leads, opt-in page, thank you page, 7-day email sequence. Upgrade 3. New Business VIP. $37 or $127 a year. Have access to exclusive new themes and plugins every month. Finally yours, our VIP vault of WP Premium themes and plugins all in one. You get a professionally created, up-to-date platform, well-researched, which gives you access to the best and most efficient business plugins every month. Upgrade 4. NEWB Reseller. $197. Reseller rights license, so you can sell NEWB directly to other online and offline marketers and make a bank. Comes with our proven sales material and training. Gaurab Borah's NEWB.